Hi guys, I hope everybody's doing okay. So I just got a call from the shop. Good news, I think pwede ko na kunin yung BMW. That's the good news. The bad news, I need to buy a car battery. So unfortunately, hindi na gumagana yung car battery ko. And as you all know, pag German cars dito, medyo mahal yung battery kasi it's the big batteries from DIN 80 all the way to DIN 100. So malalaking batteries to. Normally they're placed at the back of the car, so may trunk. So good news naman, my good friend who lives in the village sells batteries. Meron siyang stock sa bahay, so I'm gonna pick it up. So bibilin ko, pick it up. I got a M-Track battery, so I think it's a sister company of Armenian, I'm not so sure. Pero M-Track's pretty good. Good price siya compared to Armenian and Motolite na medyo mas mahal ng konti. And it's 24 months warranty, so okay siya. So I got that. I'm here at the back seat. Sabi ko, because the driver's gonna drop me sa shop and install yung battery, tapos hopefully pwede ko na kunin. Sabi naman, yun na lang daw kulang. They're just cleaning the inside of the car now. Kasi sabi ko, you can't use this naman to clean the outside. Total, it's raining. So sabi ko, sige, hopefully I'll get the battery. Punta muna ako sa ATM. Tapos I'll go to my friend's house, get the battery, and we could hopefully bring the car home. Gusto ko na iuwi kasi it's been 45 days I think. So guys, here are the batteries. I just have to check. Ito yata yan eh. DIN 100 boss. Hindi ko Ito yun no? Ito ba yan?
Isa lang yata, Kelly.
Oh, isa lang? DIN 100? Ito. Tama. Tapos, yung warranty card daw, tanggalin ko daw.
Oo, nandiyan.
Okay.
So, ano na lang po yan? Kung nandito kasi sa loob, mabigat nito.
Mabigat, oo. Meron yata siyang...
Ayan po.
Hindi mo natandaan? Ay, ito yung cover. Iba na to ah. Bago? Hindi na yung galing sa hood ko.
Pinapalitan ko ng ganyan.
Ganda. Saan mo nakuha yan?
Pila kasi yun sa'yo eh.
Oo nga eh. Saan to?
Sa mga hood namin na surplus.
Ganda ah.
Kasi sa'yo yung parang
Ano lang, yung...
Ito. Eh, nung tinanggal namin, sabi ko, yan, ito na.
Nandun pa yung hood sa kabila.
Kala ko kukunin doon.
Oo nga eh, biglang kasi wala daw siyang pick-up. Kailangan kasi ng pick-up yan eh, diba? Okay na? Okay na lahat? Ganda ah.
Yung ilaw, program ni Doc kasi yung naka-projector ka, diba? Nag-indicate doon sa cluster.
Okay.
Kailangan ng program.
Ano siya? HID na? HID na. Hindi ko na pinalit yung windshield ko dahil sa sticker eh. Hirap eh. Pag tinanggal ko to masisira eh. Saka na, di ba?
Tingnan mo, positive and negative, pinaghinang.
Tama, yeah.
O shorted.
I think I know who did that. Sa tina-battery ko sa Alming Marelo, hindi pala pwede yun, no?
Positive, negative.
Tama.
Kasama na sa isang terminal. O di shorted, wala na. Goodbye na yung battery.
So, Doc, what do you think? I'll just replace the whole key? Is there possibility to have that done?
Balik mo na lang, inisin natin maayos.
Okay lang, boss. Sige.
Ulat naman ako.
Okay lang. So guys, I'm bringing the car home na. I'm so happy, guys. Look at it. God, I haven't been in this car for almost 2 months. I forgot how to turn on the radio, guys. There you go.
Nationwide to know more about this 100-inch high-sense 4K.
God, it sounds so good, guys. Such a nice car. Even the leveling for the headlights is working. So naka-HID na siya projector, guys. Before wala. The gauges are new. So 83,000 kilometers now. From 207,000 kilometers from the old engine. Oh guys, I'm so happy. So I'm gonna drive this. So I'm leaving Las Piñas. Then I'm gonna take Coastal. Then go take Skyway. And see how this engine rides. The paint job, guys, is excellent. I'm gonna do a review of this car, but for now I just want to enjoy the car. I just want to, you know, drive it. They're supposed to detail the car, pero sabi ko sa kanila next time na lang kasi papagawa rin ako ng susi for the car kasi the unlock and lock is not working. Unfortunately, kasi the battery that I replaced, the guy sinira niya yung ano, pinaduktong niya yung negative and positive battery, which is not supposed to be the case. Dapat hiwala yun. So anyway, guys, I'll see you when I get home. So guys, pagasan tayo. So I put XS, guys, so 95 octane. Pag mga ganito klaseng kotse, guys, 95 octane and above, wag 91. Medyo maselan yung engine sa gas octane level. So XS, guys, pag petrol. I think pag Shell, it's Shell Gold. Tapos Caltex, Caltex yung Gold. Ang Shell is, I forgot na, guys, pag Shell. Bira ako mag-Shell, talagang petrol, guys. Hi guys, so just got home. The car is running really great. I mean, I took it in Skyway. Of course, malakas yung ulan, so I didn't really drive that fast. Pero sobrang smooth, sobrang tahimik yung engine. That's the big thing. A big difference between a bigger engine and a smaller engine is the smoothness of the engine. Iba talaga yung straight inline 6 guys ng BMW. They're known for inline 6. Even for the newer engines with the turbo, mga inline 6, like for the M2s, M3, M4, even for their diesel inline 6. Sobrang smooth yung makina. I'm so happy. But I didn't get to video the outside too much kasi nga it's dark outside. Nakaabot na ako siguro mga 4:30 doon. Tapos I just got home. It's already 6 o'clock. So medyo late na rin. But tomorrow I'll take some videos. I'll show you around. Then you know, it's just I'm just happy that it's home. Nandito na yung kotse. Magagamit ko na. It's been, like I said, 45 days from the last time that I've you know, driven the car. Diba? The paint job galing, sobrang galing. Fender liners, lahat ng fender liners bago. Even the trunk lid na sinabi ko na medyo mahal na piece sa likod, where the plate number lights are, yun, it's brand new. All the lights are new, naka-projectors na and everything. So I'm very, very happy and very satisfied, and I just want to thank the shop for, you know, for taking care of the car and making sure that everything, you know, runs well. Actually, hindi ko ba dapat kukunin yung car today? Dapat i-detail pa rin. So sabi ko next time na I really wanted to bring the car home yet. Total, it's raining. So parang pointless to detail it already. Maybe the next time I come there, because papagawa pa ako ng key. I'm gonna have a key done, a diamond key done, brand new, from them also. So guys, I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Take care, guys.